Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Forer from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for September 4th, 2018. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. Well, the first trading session of September was absolutely dominated by sellers early in the day, and buyers stepped in near the end, but it was a case of a little too late. Too little too late, that is. And we closed in the red, but much better than the way we started the day. The Dow was down just 12 points. You could see nice recover here by the end of the day. The S&P 500 was down about 5 points, while the Nasdaq gave back 18 points today, and the Russell was lower by 7 points today. The bond market trading lower today. That took yields up a notch. They are now, the yield on the 10-year note, that is at 2.896. The crude oil traded slightly lower as well, giving up basically the gains from the previous trading session. Gold was down as well, down $9.50 today. And this does not look good. This looks like we're headed at a minimum back down to the 1180 area here, this recent low. And that was mostly due to a very, very strong US dollar today. Solid bounce once again. Here's that test, though. You know, we got just above that 20-period moving average and then pushing back. So it is fighting that overhead resistance we talked about at 95.5. It's working its way through there right now. Let's give this another day or so to give us a clear sign of whether or not it can overcome that resistance or whether it will just fail here and break lower. The key levels to watch, obviously, aside from clearing 9.5 and 95.5 to the upside here, are these recent lows here near 94.5. Now, a milestone today for Amazon. Amazon reaching the $1 trillion mark in market cap. The second publicly traded company to do so. Apple was the first. Amazon, though, reaching that target much, much quicker. It took Apple 38 years. It took Amazon just 21. Question is, where do we go from here with Amazon? Well, looking at the daily, the weekly, and the monthly, I mean, you know, and it's at highs here, all-time highs, no resistance up ahead. This can obviously continue going up. If we take our fib extension tool here on the daily, take the recent high and low, and we come up with near-term targets of 2050, nice round number here at the 1618 level, and then we'll call it 2200 at the 2618. But if we take our same levels here off the weekly time frame, which is going a little further out in time here, let's go back to the most recent major high and low, and you can see that that 2050 mark comes in nicely again. That's a key level, and we're sitting right around there. So we could pull back off that level and then set up again for the next trade that will take us up to 2737. So those targets are 2050 near term, 2200 beyond that on the daily, and then 2700 here on the weekly time frame. So either way, from a technical analysis perspective, it looks like the ride for Amazon isn't quite over just yet. So continue to keep that on your watch list, as you may get another opportunity to jump in there very soon. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.